They say you need to be determined to get what you want. So, yes, this is me. Look at that booty. Booty, 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 booty. Hello guys, guess where Mama is today? I am at the beach. Yes, Rimini Beach. Yes, it is 7:30 in the morning. And yes, we usually come to the beach really early. That way we can get some the sunbeds at the right spot. I am rocking this beach hat that you saw in one of my hauls. Yes, and I came to the beach with a lipstick. Rocking this MAC Lippy. It is so beautiful, feeling the sun on my skin, the waves, but ain't nobody got time to enter into the sea. This is the farthest I can go. Like I told you, I have the fear of drowning. Is it called hydrophobia or whatever? And I don't have that beach body yet, but we are getting there. Yes, Mama, I'm looking cute. I'm feeling myself. Ni vizuri kujipsych sometimes. Unasema you're beautiful, you're amazing. Even the days where you feel like shit, you need to amp yourself up. Why, guy? Beach day. This is the farthest my feet can touch the water. Let me go back. Well, these waves are scaring me. That is the Ferris wheel. Yes. As you can see, we don't have the white sandy beaches here in Rimini, but it's better than nothing. Yes, if you want the white sandy beaches, you need to go to the southern part of Italy. Yes. These are the boats for lifesavers. Cute. This is a very strange summer, by the way. If there was no corona, this beach would be full by now, tourists and whatever. But we hope next year things will go back to normal. Yes. And these are our sunbed. This is my beach bag, yes, that I thrifted a few years ago. This is my bikini cover, yes. And I got a gossip magazine, yes. You can't come to the beach and you don't have a gossip magazine to know who is playing who. Let me show you what I have in my beach bag. I have this book that I'm reading currently, yes, After We Collided by Anna Todd. I also have my sunglasses. I also have this Gucci sunglass case. I have new masks. Yes, we are in the corona era, so we need some masks. I have almond oil for my skin. This is what I use when I come to the beach. I have this baby wipes. Yes. I have this Camini pochette written "Enjoy Summer," and in here I have some money, a lipstick, and yeah, yes, that's how my beach bag looks like. Boring, but it has all the essentials that we need. Yes. These curls are popping. Yes. Snack time. Drinking this peach juice. Delish much. starting to get hot up in here. What I love about this liquid lipstick from MAC is that it's not budging. As you can see, I'm drinking this whatever, and there's minimal transfer. Attention! How you keeping? Today is jogging day. Yes, as you saw, we went to the beach yesterday, and being that it was a weekend, I ate like a pig. So today I am out here trying to lose some weight. Yes, I went to the beach for the first time this year, and the bikini was not looking that bad on me, to say the truth. I was scared that this year there was no summer body, though we are not there yet, but with hard work and determination we'll get there. Yes, today me and my neighbor, we are doing some long trail. So yes, we will walk like 8 to 10 kilometers today. And Bear just came back from work. They say you need to be determined to get what you want. So, yes, this is me. Look at that booty. Booty. Anyway, let's rush. I wanted to show you something. Look at that river. Over there is a river. And those are the mountains. Yes. Walking in the middle of nature. You can't buy that. Yes, that's the river. As you can see, it's a bit dry because it's very hot. We are deep into summer. But I just wanted to show you what we see when we are doing this long walk. Ooh, what a beauty over here. Whew. I am sweating like crazy. Guys, can you believe that it's 8? Usiku, ni saa 2 usiku. In summer, the sun sets at around 10. So it's not even strange to see kids playing outside at 9. My kids have already taken supper. Na ni kuna jua. Yes. Well, the wind is blowing my hair and I'm looking fabulous. Yes. Let's keep going. Then when I get home, I will skip rope. Yes. 300 skips. If you want to have a tight booty, you need to work for it. Yes. Beautiful. Beautiful. Look. Amaze balls. Yes.